Now, this moment and in the next month to 3 or 4 months coming is one of the best times, one of the best opportunities that you will ever see in crypto. And we're going to talk about why and what that looks like in this video. If you're not familiar with me, my name is Austin Hilton. I have a channel here on YouTube where I talk about crypto full time as well, but I also support ClearCryptos. This is their YouTube channel. I support this company. This is a crypto company, and they have a very clear and strategic vision to help you navigate crypto better, to empower you with tools, a swap that is better than anybody out there. You can get fiat money easily in via their swap. You can trade with their analytic platform, actually version 2 is coming in the very near future where you can trade with their analytic platform as well. But their analytic platform is going to give you all of the analysis and tools that you need to do really three things: know, trust, act. Know better about the projects that you're looking at, the data, the analytics. Trust that data because it's coming for a reliable, good source, and then take action appropriately with that. If you're interested in learning more about Clear, links in the description below. Okay, so let's talk about right now being the probably one of the biggest times for an opportunity for you and for all of us in crypto. Crypto has been beaten up in 2022. We all know this, right? And it's at a depressed market. There are countless cryptos in the top 100 more that have just been decimated, really, honestly, frankly, through no fault of their own. Okay. Because of the inflation scenario that played out for the majority of 2022. And then in the current scenario that we're dealing with which is the FTX fallout and the FTX contagion, which we will ultimately get through in one way or the other. But the fact of the matter is that you have opportunities that abound. And so what I mean by this is that starting really now, the time we're living in now, as well as probably into the first quarter, you can expect probably some more movement down. Okay. So you have an opportunity to buy low at really, really low costs, lock in those costs, hold over time, and then reap some significant profits. So as an example, Bitcoin, everybody is pretty much readily agreeing, the smart people in the proverbial room are agreeing that Bitcoin could drop below 12,000. Ethereum could drop below 600. If it drops below those levels, this guy right here is buying. Okay. Cardano could drop down into the low 20s, if not further. Let me show you that one. It's in 30 cents right now. Could drop maybe into the high teens. Again, through no fault of its own, just as a function of the macroeconomic times that we're living in and just this bear market that we're in. And the kind of the bottom of this bear market, the bottom of the bear market, first quarter of 23. Okay. So if you're thinking about trying to identify, and if you really believe that now is your opportunity to lock in some low cost, Cardano is a great example. Its all-time high is close to $3. If it goes down into the low 20s and teens, that is a significant discount off of its all-time highs, right? And so that's my point, is now is the opportunity for you, for all of us, to buy on the red days, if you will. And really, this is not a red day, this is a red time. We've been here for a while. Probably going to get a little bit worse before it gets better, but I think we all readily agree and kind of know that. And so if you have a plan in that capacity where you can take advantage of that and take it and look at opportunities, and basically I would tell you, not investing advice, look at the blue chips, just stay within the top 25 or 30 and you can be pretty much good. So take a diversification strategy, go pick up some blue chips like Matic and Cardano and XRP and Bitcoin and Ethereum and some of the other ones like that, and buy low and sell high, right? That's what it's all about. But do what most people don't do. Most people buy on the green days because they're FOMOing in, and they sell on the red days because they're emotionally based selling, and they're afraid that they think that the sky is falling and that crypto is going to be out of business in the next 5 minutes. Don't do that. That's what I got for you. Now is your opportunity. I'll see you. If you're wanting to learn more about Clear, links in the description below. Check them out. See you. Bye.